Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change your Facebook profile in 2026. Okay, let's go for this real video. Step 1, open Facebook. After open Facebook, click your profile. After go to profile, click your add profile or change profile. Okay, I click profile, choose profile picture, import from Instagram. For example, choose profile picture from gallery and allow. Yeah, I have one picture in gallery. I selected the picture and it's public, no problem, and click save. Okay, uploading your profile photo. Okay, 1 minute for one refresh. Yes, my profile is updated. This is my profile. Very easy. Our profile has been successful. Change it. Please like the video and subscribe my Tech channel. Good luck.